Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essential prerequisites. Your phone and carrier must support Volte, and LTE data must be active. Open mobile network settings and enable Volte or enhanced 4G LTE. Once done, confirm the status icon shows 4G or Volte. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is off if it causes conflicts. Reboot quickly if the network looks wrong. Now dial the contact as usual. Volte will route the call over LTE automatically when conditions are met. Once the call starts, monitor indicators that confirm Volte. An HD or Volte label typically appears. If audio quality is high, you're on the right path. If not, pause video or large downloads because Volte shares LTE bandwidth with data. Make sure you are not in low signal areas. Moving a few meters can restore full LTE strength. If you need to add a call or merge, use your phone's native conference features, since Volte handles call continuity differently than 3G. To finish, hang up like any call and check your call log to confirm Volte or HD voice was used. That verifies successful routing. If a call fails or drops repeatedly, toggle Volte off and on, or switch airplane mode briefly to force network refresh. Wait about 30 seconds before reconnecting. Make sure your account plan supports Volte. If problems persist, contact your carrier and provide time, location, and a screenshot of your signal and Volte settings so they can diagnose the network path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.